Hello everyone, welcome to first DMAT learning platform. In this class, I'm going to talk about very powerful technical indicator tool, what you will get in TradingView. The tool name is Zigzag. So by using this Zigzag tool, you can easily set your trends, either it is uptrend or downtrend, and at the same time, it will help you to create the resistance and support on a stock or any other underlying asset. So I'm doing this on Nifty and on a 15-minute chart. So you just need to go to indicator, and in indicator, if you write zigzag, so you don't have to write. The name is very funny. So here you just, once you're done with this zigzag, you just go to the setting, and here go to input. In price deviation, just made it 0.35. Okay, and in pivot leg, by default it would be 10. Make this 10 as 5. Okay guys, so once you're done with this, just press OK. So the moment you've done this, now guys, you can see this. Although here ADX DMI is there, I just remove this. So for the better visualization purpose. Now guys, what you can do, you can see an automated form of your uptrend and downtrend, your impulse, corrective forms, everything got developed here. Now for analyzing the Nifty, since this is 15-minute chart, so let me make this as 1 day chart. Okay, so once I have made this as 1 day chart, probably now you can see a very strong uptrend was there in Nifty, which started on November 10, and that continued till 20 December. You can see very strong uptrend was there. Then a kind of corrective mode came, and then you had an impulse which does not persist very long till 1st January. Then it fall down. Then like this, you can see an impulse. You can see an impulse in corrective form. Here, what I can do, I can just draw quickly form of horizontal line by using shortcut key Alt H. So if I just go here, if I press Alt H, so with this horizontal line Alt H, 1 minute. In case if you're not able to do, just go here. Okay, this is black color, so that's why it's not coming. So you can see, and let me just change this color, something like this, or green, or better, you can choose some other color. Fine. So like this, these were the crucial support and resistance. You can draw that. Fine, everyone. Yeah, so I have drawn this. Now I'll change this to 15-minute chart. So imagine if I drawn this to 15-minute chart. Probably guys, now you can see at this current level of Nifty. So Nifty is right now at 22,146. So the crucial resistance what we can look for is probably 22,229 would be our very crucial resistance. Then once if the breakout happens, then the next resistance for the Nifty what we can target would be 22,512, while the crucial support at this level would be 22,000. 22,000 would be the crucial support for the Nifty. So it become very easy for you to set your resistance and support by using the zigzag, and this will definitely will help you. This has happened also. You can see guys, I converted the day chart in 50 minutes. So if I use this, if I do back testing, you can see this Nifty came here at the support, it reversed back to this level. Then what it happened, it tried to break down here by closing below it, but it could not able to did and break down. Then it went further, it bounced back here. You can see it is bounced back here at this points. I hope you can see these levels. Like I hope you can see this point or this point or this point. So you can see it could not able to did a breakdown, and then here it happened somewhere on 13th March. It has happened. It could break down, and then it went further. Okay, 13 March, it has happened at 10 o'clock. Then it went further, and then the next support became 22,072, and it could able to break this also. Although it tried to bounce back, but again it has actually broken yesterday around 1:30, and then the crucial support was 21,886. But thank God it could not reach to that level. Below, before that only, it made this W shaped pattern, and then at that level 22,080 was a crucial resistance, which it has broken and went further, and then it went to this level, and then again it came back. So probably when we see the current value of Nifty, so an intermediate resistance would be 22,189, would be would be an intermediate resistance. And once the Nifty will break it down tomorrow, possibly morning, we'll see Nifty to break this down 22,189. Once it cross that, once the breakout happens, then the next target what we can see would be 22,229. So the same thing you can even apply on Bank Nifty also. The same thing you can even apply on Bank Nifty. Okay. So if you see for Bank Nifty, again this 15-minute chart, if I convert this into 1-day chart, probably okay. So if you see this, yeah. So here, this would be a crucial resistance for us. Okay, this would be a crucial resistance for us. Then this level, okay, you can see this. This 48,333 would be very crucial resistance. You have seen Bank Nifty has touched that. It came back. Then at this level, you have the support at this value. 45,597 would be a support. Then this level or this level, fine. These would be act like a support and resistance. Now, if I convert this day chart into 15-minute chart, so probably guys, you can see the way the Bank Nifty is moving right now. So it has touched its support at 46,761. Okay, then the moment it touched the support, it bounced back. Now it is somewhere around 46,800, somewhere close to that. The next target what we can look for the Bank Nifty would be 47,197 for the tomorrow movement. And if it cross that, if the breakout happens, then the next target what we can look for Bank Nifty would be 47,351. So I hope you are getting this. So where the crucial support at this current value of Bank Nifty would be 46,544. So by using zigzag, the development of support and resistance become very easy. Although if I remove the zigzag pattern here, okay, this moment, if I remove the zigzag pattern here, okay, if I just remove all the drawing, then you can even put auto support resistance. Okay, you can even put auto support resistance by Sony Perlin. So this is again a very easy form of working on support and resistance, which you can do here. This blue color line shows the downtrend. This shows the trend, while green color showing you the support. and the red color is showing you the resistance. So it's more of an holistic form of the representation. If you change the time frame, this will automatically will change again. So you can use auto support resistance, or you can use zigzag. This will definitely will help you to construct trends, the different component of trends, either impulse or corrective. And at the same time, if you want to set your support and resistance at different forms of trend in a bigger time frame, and then doing the testing on the real time data, it will definitely will help you. So I hope you have understood this session, and I hope you have liked this session. Thank you everyone. I'll see you all in next session tomorrow. Take care. Bye everyone.